Okay, so normally on Twitter you have your newsfeed and whoever you're following, their material is going to show up there. But let's say you want to create a list, and so that you can see news feeds with different categories of material. So if you're into social media marketing, you can have a list of all of the people that you follow who post material mostly based on that category. You can create a list, and this is pretty easy. All you have to do is go up to your profile, then you go to lists, click on create a new list, and to add people to the list, all you have to do is go to their Twitter page, and then next to the follow button, you click on the gear icon and you go down to add or remove from lists, and then you just put them on there. This is a great way of organizing the people that you want to follow on Twitter into categories that are relevant for a certain subject, so that it's not just all mixed in with the other people that you follow. So once you've collected or created a list of a number of different bloggers and influential people that you're trying to reach out to, you're going to want to write some content based on things that they've said so that you can sort of get on their radar. And you can use what's called the block quote feature. And if you've used WordPress for a while, you're probably familiar with this. You can see on the screenshot, you just click B quote, and it'll take a certain statement that somebody else made on their blog, something you copied and pasted into your article, and make it larger and put large quotation marks next to it so that it stands out from the rest of the article. And this is a great way of gaining some influence, because if you write say a counter argument to an influential person's article and they respond to it, I mean, simply by responding to it, you automatically gain their audience. Or you can simply write an article that expands on what they said. Whatever you write, you just want to make sure to reach out to them with an @ symbol or a via symbol so that they see that you have created something based on something they said. On the other side of all this, there's a free service called Unfollower, and this has about 9 million users, and it lets you track the people that unfollow you. You can also see which followers are inactive, your followers' statistics, how many tweets, how many retweets, the people that you follow but they don't follow you back. When you think about it, 9 million members is not that much compared to how many Twitter users there are in the hundreds of millions. So less than 5% of people with a Twitter account are using this service. And if you're going to use Twitter as a means of promoting your business, this is a huge advantage to have over other companies that aren't aware of unfollowers or aren't using it. So definitely check out unfollowers.com. It's a free account. You can see a ton of data about the people that are following you, unfollowing you. It's called Unfollowers at unfollowers.com. That's with an S on the end.